Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will tell you why you should buy the headphones Adidas RPD 01. First of all, they design it for an active lifestyle. So if you like active lifestyle, I guess this headphones is for you. The second one, long battery life. It's up to 20 hours of playtime, so I guess you can use it all day without any charging. The third one is to easy controls. I mean, these buttons, it's too intuitive to use it, so it's a plus. And stylish design, of course. It looks so good, I like it so much, so if you like it too, you should buy it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!